stop. What if I said you could be playing 36 songs on the piano in just under 15 minutes from now? I'm talking Justin Bieber, Bruno Mars, Adele, Ed Sheeran, Jason Derulo, Miley Cyrus, Eminem, Beyonce, Imagine Dragons, Linkin Park, and Rihanna, plus 24 more. That's a total of 36 awesome pop songs in just under 15 minutes from now. Sound too good to be true? Well, here's the catch. You ready? And that's cause there isn't one. Hey, I'm Christian, a professional concert pianist and qualified high school music teacher who's been doing this for the past 27 years. And what have I learned after an entire lifetime of practicing the piano? Well, it's simple. It only takes 4 easy chords to play over 36 songs in literally under 15 minutes. Now, as soon as you click on the link below, I'm gonna prove to you that this is legit by gifting you my Ultimate Beginner's Piano Survival Kit. This ebook contains the 4 secret chords that I want to teach you in page 12. Next, I'm gonna prove to you that this is not a scam because you're not gonna see a single payment page nor a sign-up page, just my site and your link to start this amazing free masterclass. And this is what we call a no-brainer in the industry because either I'm wrong, so you get to walk away with a free ebook and a free lesson from a concert pianist, or I'm right and you get to walk away in 15 minutes from now bragging about the 36 new songs that you just learned. Either way, it's a win-win. So come on, no more excuses. It's time to level up your piano playing in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite streamer or your favorite Netflix show. So let's go. Click on the link right now and I'll see you on the other side.